juju, then create some investment give up. Where investment no aswaba. Where what? You don't want show off small. That don't mean say you juju. When if the other papa and the mama on my amano, all because juju no abojeno. What did you do at the farm? You tell you to a farm. Juju na go on a boy. Okay, but the spirit or if God will create them, are they like?
We saw now.
So even if it's juju and it's not juju, even if it's juju, what be your point?
Flamboyant lifestyle, aka Mankind, and it be celebrity hour. Charlie, if you dey watch, make sure say you go subscribe to Too Much channel. That's what you for do. Today we can't talk about Shatta Wale in matter. Shatta Wale boss say if people they make am for life inside her, then they talk say if you juju way they talk like they put things for inside. That's what Shatta Wale talk. So we'll go spy the video. We come on, we will dig into the matters very well. We'll go come.
But Ghana they hate. Obi a Shatta ene ye Obi ye obi kwa ne obi ye sika kwa se sika dru obi koso kwa na say we there kwa we there oye tu no wa be fa William what must say yes I mean somebody no see Shatta Wale say you know like in character the time they bomb you come out adoring me the time they bomb me I no cry yeah it no be so I cry my father say yeah this is a son.
The Lamp of God City International Edumedie Acheshe so a 14 days prayer and fasting. Na asampuna eda etie say remember me oh God. Na said the one no COVID-19 won hyehyɛ no ho aduoma eba ye ntina amadodo na ate ada empapopo ayedin de ama wo ne no na ama the Lamp of God wo ma hu say hu be yese Yakobon ebe kai ne ma ewo awiye emre yi mu na ade biara wo mo ehwere ade biara wo mo ehwehwe no wo mo sa etimi aka entomo de 14 days prayer and fasting ahwehwe so Adumede ever started on the 1st of September 2020. It will see on the 13th of September, 6:30 p.m. sharp. And Adumede no ever also. Enti bra the Lamp of God City International. Abeka Market Butcher Street no. The first big ramp on your left. Sorry no. Honum na won sunya kopon. Enkai wo wamani humu na oje enye bodia. Kaya ho na wabrabo enye se de etie de biara eda.
I carry your screen top again. My name is Flamboyant Lifestyle. As I talked earlier on, make sure say you go subscribe to the YouTube channel, Too Much GH. As we can start, I guess I'm wrong for year. Be one of the fastest rising hip hop artists, Eugene A. They can't spot they give you, they can't bizarre the matters. How you see what Shatta Wale talk. So Eugene, what's up, bro?
Charlie, me I did. What happened? I see you keep up.
I did, Charlie. I mean, you say things and things. We do things.
Yeah, Charlie. We already know what I mind big passer like that. So they happen.
So the matter we say, Shatta Wale they talk say people they take people them as access, say like they take juju, they do them at and things. What be your mind for talk?
But that thing Shatta Wale talk they be really true. They of you like Born Squad get other business than they do before they enter music. Where the fact say they enter music, not necessarily they mean say like they for come declare them about say okay, this is what I get from music, this is what I get at that. So like if somebody do music way or like if somebody do anything way like it makes successful you know by force say it be juju way make you get the money. You know what they do before you can start they do the music.
Okay. You know, because Shatta Wale don't talk musicians so. He say wealthy people where like they make them.
Yeah.
Plenty of people they afflict them about this say they go juju, they go here before they make them. That's why Shatta they talk. You know specify say musician or something.
You know what? I thought the music of me I do music.
Okay.
So it happen for one side to most of it. But in general, like you, if somebody doing business where you make come, what they show say be juju way make you get the money. See, some businesses say not like they're not necessarily for make adverts, but then they make very very huge sales on the low. So like if you get all that money, where you don't know where they get the money from, or you see these boys are people on the social media. So because he can't talk 1, 2 for social media, he can't post 1, 3 for social media. You go talk say we can put or what you know they are doing.
Maybe I can talk you something. If you musician or you be something where you know the social media, how you go feel interact plus your like the people where they want vibe plus because you know you pay where you go tell the track.
Yes.
So if you like you be artist or something where you know the social media, you go be style give you information say you go there in the artist and things. So if you talk say that's why plenty people know the social media. That's what I want chipping that thing.
Very good question. We get very like A-list artists where they don't do social media. Like they get the accounts alright, but it's not active.
Okay.
It is only active when they want to preview new music or they want to do something on the channel. That aside, they don't do social media. More like most see social media, it's a really bad thing. But like it has good, but the bad is more than the good. But we don't notice that. Back to the topic. See, if some bro they do in business or they do whatever they do on the low, where they show you say, oh, this thing I do, this be what I catch, this thing I do, this be what I catch. Where what like at a point, right? He can show you say, okay, this is what I get. The fact say he don't show you in progress, not the mean say whatever you get, if you juju or something you take do. Juju no what about
Make I tell you something. If you inspire me right now, spirit all belongs to God. Juju be something where we take give name. It be name where we take give something. God where they make people they prosper. If God not go make you prosper, you no go get anything.
You know create yourself.
You know, so if you inspire me, I make you don't know brainwash you say juju and things. It be God in blessing. All be say what he they do no. If you no say this thing where I want mind. You see, if you take good mind and things do so Eugene, I don't say what's Wale talk no. I should say it be good thing where Wale talk.
Oh, of course it be good thing.
Because Wale started drive luxury cars and things, plenty things they go on give them and things. Plenty people figure say they consult rituals and things before they make them. So if you spy me, I talk again. Make them not brainwash you. Juju, every spirit they come from God. If you not get the altar, make no go.
See,
me at the top, make no go. If you get the answer, you will go where you go big if you are. Go then go do. It about all spirit belongs to God. So
see,
go.
you know something? Some people say they like it be the mommy them where they get the money. What I see be the my parents will get the money. But what? Like unfair but say mommy get this money, mommy get this money. You bab maybe like into them create some investments give up. Where investment no aswaba. Where what? You don't want show off small. That don't mean say if you do. When if get the papa and the mama on my amano, all because you do no abojeno. What did you do at the bank? You tell you to have a bank. You know what a boy? Okay, but the spirit or if you God will create them, are they like
Every so now.
So even if you do and it's not to do, even if you do, what be your point?
Okay, Eugene, hey, they talk say, Juju know they were. Me, I talk before where you talk. You about make you not brainwash you. Rather, it comes say, somebody say, you go Germany. Now you know experience racism. Like, say people they like talk say you be black and things. You know experience before.
Yeah.
But you go Germany, you go experience that thing. He say he shock say that thing there. Himself he shock. He say he catch the airport there now. Then they see him say he be black man so he be poor. How black man go feel poor? How black man go feel be poor? Charlie, black people yen you was canon. But I say you hu your home. You hu your one no. You timi share your home. You timi you say you nyama. You betima you bibiama your home. And you aji bibiama bro ni Charlie. Them more than be human being. So what be your mind for talk? Because what somebody they talk no. I hear nowhere I say hey, these people I don't know what to go do them.
See, like this part of like Africa, we turn up we figure only USA be the racist country. See, Germany and Russia, like all those countries where we read the pets them say they don't be racist no. We do what who say yes, racism is very real. See, but me like this like well if it normal thing, they don't really know one for that. Make abuse you. Drake, if it be somebody like Drake, where you go there, they go do am so.
Nah.
If it be Lil Wayne where you go there, they go do am so.
What the way they talk so no? Them more no, them be blacks.
Yes.
They won't be black than things.
Yes.
But why they see sack no? They talk say he be poor man. That thing where I know the about. How sack go fit be poor? If you Ghana one artist where you know the child with the cherish sound. Hey, you people make not do so. That Germany, I don't know the airport. I don't get plane ticket back. I will go there. Go talk them, say what they talk now.
Go slap them.
You know me slap.
Slap.
I got they will close down the airport. So come sack. Charlie continue move go.
Well, like if you them be say they don't really know sack like that. But it's all good. One, right now he has gotten the experience, so he can talk about it, and the people know that okay, he has really experienced it, so he knows what he's talking about. Like if you don't do one before we talk about that, they'll tell you he's acting up and all that. But right now he has actually experienced it firsthand. So like right now, if he's talking about it, he will know what he's saying.
Okay.
But that racism thing, see, it really be bad thing, Charlie. The thing is, before just develop one part of the world, you back.
Okay.
if Africa be developed, where will they go there? They will see them as a privilege.
So in the city Africa, you know, be developed.
Oh, that's what I'm going to use a catch up.
Oh, I don't know because
how that thing
they come. How a country go feel be developed? I won't know. For your mind is about me to my mind. No, Ghana be heavy, Africa be heavy. But I don't know if for the development way people they talk because the mansions and things where they up to. Someday Charlie, you go Transacqua. Some people be there. You go figure say you do up to.
But that Transacqua there, they can talk you. You know, be all the roads will be tarred. Maybe why you put to find all Transacqua. You bow.
Okay.
Yes.
So your development be say they not tar the road. That's why you no be developed.
If it you despite American movies, you they see death for inside.
So of that will not be developed.
That is all their part of development.
Okay.
If a country is developed there, see everything where they do, it be with class. You bow. There's class, like you know that okay, these people know what they are about.
Okay, if you inspire me, they say Africa, Ghana not be developed.
Africa,
the people we Ghana, so make a talk Ghana. The people, the MPs where they Ghana here where they be say they go do road and things. Tale, me flamboyant, and they talk say that money is if people for take their money do their thing give you. Hey, me a day I got pay. Tale, you there, you can say you come for desert top way.
Who's the foot through?
Hey,
you see?
So what you talking there? It be true. Tale, so the next thing where we can't talk about say Benedicta Gaffa. You show expensive machine.
This girl again.
For that, where people Ghanaian they talk say, now one way you buy give them, the time where you sign give them. So now one of if you buy something give someone without not sign. Me that be my mind. That be what I talk. So if you dey listen to me, now one of if you buy something give someone before you sign them because he sign if you Trisha or we use
Tisha.
Yes.
He
sign them to you give them house. Or make about 10 transgender then 10 women they make the sign before you go give me house or something. Me, I know about that thing.
See,
I don't know about that artist, but me, what I know where they talk. So, bro, what be your mind for talk?
Now, one like as it did some signings day where you do out the back. Artist day, you have sign artist. People were like they go feed them make you money. What was all those movie artists movie actors where you go sign?
Actress.
Oh, then on the amount. What they will do give you? Ghana, this Ghana kasa wanna movie industry, you don't really be any better like that. Artists they see, talents they, me, I they do music.
I know you are a theater. If you don't know engineer, go Audio Mac, go Spy. You go tear correct hip hop.
My tracks are everywhere. Audio Mac, SoundCloud, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, Tidal. My songs are everywhere. See, you know something? See, the underground music the underground artists they are making very, very good music. But these people want mainstream money. Mainstream money is good though. But at the end of the day, if we check content then things, we say what of these mainstream artists, I don't want to mention names, then they lose what they. Okay. Now one had no business signing you can't say actors and actresses. They won't give you anything. The only thing you can use them for is modeling in your videos.
You say that one you get record label. When the son gets men's good business, right now you don't know say men's good need vanish or something.
Men's good actually
so you know, you don't make people that my eye count up in business talk. Say like you get this. So people where they get fame or people where they be well known. Then they say you be closer to you are. Now you sign something, give you say Charlie this and this, then people will know you. That be my mind. Now more if I the liar can't talk, that be my mind. Me flambo, that what I talk.
See, that thing, simple thing. If you don't want to make some advertise thing give you, pay them. You pay them for the year. Anytime you call them, once you know say you you pay them better than they, where they remember? All the essence of signing them. You sign them, how many advertise you do? That cook near you, who's the advertise, almost an apple never be review. They tell me after to find an album be breathe. But you get the people when they do the advert give you at the point you need the advert again. So just sign them. No, the sign them was not necessary. Give them money. Let them if they want to buy houses with it, let them buy houses with it. They've done the business for you. Why when you're
tell you something? Ghanaians they talk say na one that guy they know say that they see him like that.
I think that's why
They say that they see him.
That's why she was.
You the old people. We still you dey sign them things no. People go talk say be their monies where they take do that thing. But if you know be their monies where they take do that thing, then pay them I hear say the matter dey court.
Oh yeah, but then I hear say he started pay some minutes, but it's not that much. Like he started pay them, but it's not that much. So Charlie, but as the matter still dey court, there Charlie, anything you say, they feel they can't pick you say contempt. So that one day. But on the, like the signing there, the signing like they signed the actors there, me Charlie, I was against it from the beginning because there were many other artists who would have wanted to be on this label where you know sign them. Okay,
Eugene, what be your final words for the platform talk?
For the first story, the Juju story. Okay. See, Juju, it be something where you did, but that way they mean say every bro will be successful, be every Juju way you take be successful.
Okay.
The second one, see, racism is real. Even African Americans, then they hate on Africans. And they back before George Floyd was killed.
Yeah.
On Twitter, they were saying most of these African Americans, they were asking if America has light, if America has if Africa has light, if Africa has potable water, if Africa has Wi-Fi, internet. How can you be from here, like your roots are from Africa, but then you are hating on Africans? You see the racism, it be a real thing. And also on the last topic, see, now one didn't need to sign actors and actresses. This thing, I will always talk about it. The house when you the money, whether he did like or not, say I'm trainer on to yamu. So Charlie, you may bring in trouble. And that's why they are standing there. Now when they come buy the bigger houses, but don't play in our microphone. I'm going to want to let.
Okay, so give shout outs to the people who inspire you then.
Oh Charlie, my first shout out to you ready to go give some say. I see you keep, bro. Nah, Charlie, I see you keep. Then Charlie, shout outs to Lexus Beats, shout outs to Twins Beats. That be where I do my music then small. Yeah. Charlie, shout outs to 60K, Brisky, Neki, Charlie, my boys or them all they know me. They inspire them will see who I be, Charlie.
Yeah, Charlie. Okay, I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, and this be Celebrity Yawa. Charlie, your can't top, we go talk. We know we say we go talk bad thing or good thing about you. We talk everything. We go talk everything. So I beg you, if you be celebrity, you bring the Yawa. We talk say you go bring the Yawa. We go talk. Me Flambo, me my mouth know they shout up. Me I go talk because they give me say make I talk, so that everything will go on give you. All be say you go subscribe to the YouTube channel Too Much GH. Charlie, subscribe. It be hot trending news. This one where they go on. All those people where they do that trending song, Charlie, they suppose I'm going business. But if you don't want hear on first, bro, all be say for what subscribe to Too Much GH. Flamboyant be my name, and everything be I go do be. I make sure say you go spread love. Keep it like one.
Fit your niases anything. And your friend saying mechanic. Zana Prophet Kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no. Baby I should be I'm a change your floor and I'm about Too Much GH. Shit na Prophet Kumichacha me so me share.